Do you TIG weld high-value alloys and components? Is it important for you to retain the anti-corrosive properties of your weldment and to have consistently clean welds? And how about creating a safer workplace by avoiding the use of hazardous chemicals whilst reducing the impact on the environment? The Linde Arcline MT Modular Trail is an add-on component for optimizing protection against oxidization and other atmospheric contamination while TIG welding. It offers unique technological features that raise welding performance compared to common shielding gas trails available today. Working with TIG welding and sensitive materials such as stainless steel, nickel, or titanium alloys means we need to control the excessive oxidization caused by heat buildup in the metal surface. Arcline MT can help. The Linde Arcline Modular Trail provides exceptional shielding quality by controlling the environment around the weld. A clean weld means much less post-work, such as time-consuming grinding. Effective shielding avoids the need for chemical agents, so pickling is reduced and the working environment is better. Flexible and adaptable, the Linde Arcline Modular Trail is one tool for many welding jobs, removing the need for multiple systems. Simply adding modules will adjust the length of the trail. The ability to adapt Linde Arcline MT to match curved forms brings an extra level of flexibility. Integration of the torch and trailing gas coverage provides the optimum environment to create a clean weld every time. Our vast experience with shielding gas has created a product offering superior protection with expert parameter recommendations. Find out how you can incorporate the Linde Arcline Modular Trail into your working environment with our online demonstration videos. Visit linde-gas.com/arcline. The Linde Arcline Modular Trail. Flexible and simple. Your cleanest weld is yet to come.